So hello and welcome to the video. My name is Max. Today I'll be telling you guys about how you can earn money on peopleperhour.com. If you've already watched our videos, hi again. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us and you won't miss more content. Please consider subscribing. I'm nearly done with the videos about freelancing sites, but I still have more content. If you're looking for ways that you can make money, ways you can save up money, I do know several and I will be glad to share that with all of you, so look out for more videos. If you know anyone who might find this information useful, share the videos. I have one last video that I will be talking about freelancing sites, but that will not be the end. My sister and I both have a lot more videos planned for the future, so subscribe and look for that content. PPH or People Per Hour is the third and the last website that I use to earn money online, and I am still on the site, and I started on it back in 2016. I'm still on the site and I still get jobs there. I'll post some screenshots so you can see what the site looks like. If I miss anything in this video, it's going to be in the description and there are going to be some few links for you there so you can check it out. So People Per Hour is a UK based freelancing site that connects clients and freelance. When you open an account with PPH, the buyer and seller account are the same. They're both in one account. So if you want to open a freelancer account, you have to apply as a freelancer. That was how I connected to the site. I applied to be a freelancer on the site and my application was approved. I don't believe it will be difficult to get your application approved, so you can check out the site. A direct link to the site below. I have talked previously about Guru.com and Fiverr. So PPH has a bit of both. Like on Guru, clients post job offers and freelancers go to bid on those jobs. While on Fiverr.com, freelancers set services and clients go to shop for those services. But on PPH, clients do post jobs and you go and apply to those jobs, but there's also this feature. When I began, it was called an hourly. So an hourly is the same as a Fiverr gig. You set a service, you set the cost for that service, and you set the time limit that you will complete that service. I really liked this feature because since many people will be bidding on these job offers, it's going to be hard for you to score a job. I actually never scored. I believe I scored a few of the jobs that I applied for, but most of my money on PPH came from clients purchasing my hourly. PPH had a second feature that I loved. When you open an account, just like with most of these freelancing sites, I believe, please do not skip this step. You have to create a profile. Now, when you're creating a profile on PPH, there is a spot where they ask you to list the skills or services that you're offering, but do not skip filling up those skills, because when clients post jobs, they're going to list the skills required to complete those jobs, and if PPH finds jobs with skills that match yours, PPH will send these jobs to you as invitations, and they can do this through a notification on your PPH account or through email. So if you're mostly looking to apply for jobs, you don't have to always be looking through the site to see what is available. PPH sends the invitations to you, and the best part is that the invitations are free in a way. I mentioned with Guru, you have on that site, you are allowed to have 10 proposal credits that allow you to post quotes or offers or proposals for jobs. On PPH, you get 15 to use a month, and they're renewed at the end of the month. But for invitations, if you apply to a job you're invited to, it does not reduce your proposal credits. My only issue with PPH was there is no competitive pricing exactly. So when you're looking to send proposals to jobs, if you find a job where a lot of freelancers have already sent offers, and let's say you want to set an offer of $100, but someone already set an offer that was very high. PPH will not allow you to set the price that you want. They will give you a limit that you cannot go below so that it remains fair. Just to give an example, I found one particular job on PPH. It was for a short story. I wanted to set my price for the short story at $100. Of course, I didn't actually get the job, but I did want to send a proposal for it. I wanted to set my proposal at $100, but a few other freelancers had already posted offers to that job, and it seems that one of them at least had a cost that was a bit high. So PPH did not allow me to set my price on the job less than $1,000. So when I came across this issue, I would just add in the proposal that I was willing to negotiate down the cost with the client if they could contact me directly. And some did, but it was very rare that I got a job through a proposal offer, because there are also many writers on PPH. So on PPH, like with most freelancing sites, it's there for Guru, it's there for Fiverr. After you complete a job, both the seller and the client are prompted to leave a review of how they found the service. So if you want to get big on PPH, you have to collect good reviews. That means you have to do good work. And you have to, for example, if it's an hourly, try and complete it in the time limit. PPH has this ranking system. The higher you're ranked, the higher your hourlies, for example, will appear in a search if clients go searching for specific hourlies. The ranking is called SAT. I'll leave a shot of it somewhere here. SAT ranking. My ranking, I got it up to, I think, SAT 5, but it might have dropped because I don't get too many jobs on there anymore. The SAT ranking increases when you complete a job, when you complete it on time, and when you get a good review for it. But if you're late, I know that it decreases the ranking a bit. That used to happen to me because there were times when, since I was working on different sites at the same time, there were times when I would send a job late. My clients didn't mind. I did talk to my clients about it. Please, if you're going to be late on a job, if it has a specified amount of time, talk to your clients, because if they send a complaint to the site about it, it's going to cause an issue for you. So PPH is a safe site. If you plan to purchase there, you plan to sell there, they have this system where if you start a job, you're given a work stream for that specific job where you communicate with your client. In this work stream, the client is required to make a payment before you start the job. You usually set an offer first, and after the job is completed, you raise an invoice to be paid. Before a job starts, a client pays or deposits some of the total, or the total amount that is the total amount for the job, and it's held in an escrow account by PPH. Now this money will be held until the job is completed and you raise an invoice, and the invoice only goes through after the client approves it. So at least you will know that the money is there, you're not going to be working for nothing. Like I believe I mentioned in the Guru video that I lost the money there because I didn't use their SafePay account, which is similar to the escrow, but the chances for this are a lot lower on PPH. One thing I will mention about PPH is that it connects clients to freelancers, but the work can be done offline or online. Of course, because my work is writing, I did my work online. I think you set it in your account whether you can do offline work or if it's only online work. I set mine for online work, but I don't really remember because it was a long time ago, back in 2016. Most of my clients anyway were foreigners from the US, Canada, UK, so there was no way I could have done offline work with these people. I checked, and I think there are other Kenyans on that site, but I was not receiving work from people in this country. Most of my clients were from outside. No, all of my clients were from outside. So finally, when I started on the site, the fee they took from my earnings, which is how most freelancing sites work, they took 15%. So when I started, the fee was 15%, but I did see on the site, because I still get work there, that sometime last year, I'm not sure if it was 2018, but between 2018 and 2019, they changed the fee plan. I checked, and I believe now it's a sort of tier plan, where in this tier plan, if you work with a specific client, when you start earning money, the site is going to take a fee of 20%. With the more you earn from that client, the tier will change and you're going to be earning more as the fee percentage drops lower, but you need to earn a lot of money for that. PPH does have a referral program where you invite people, they get a discount on something, or they get some cash in their account, I think some store credit, and you also get some cash. So I don't know if that cash can be withdrawn or if it's only store credit, I'm not entirely sure, and that's really all there is to PPH. So Peopleperhour was supposed to be my last, it's not supposed to be, but it is the last video I have on freelancing websites from the sites where I actually earned money. I do have one last video on this, then I'll be moving the talk to other things. I will be talking about other sites that I know that didn't work very well for me or that I could never use. There are 3 of them. They will be in the next video next Saturday. That's Upwork, Freelancer.com, and one site called Golance, I believe. So you can subscribe to the channel and look out for that video. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you to everyone who has viewed our videos up until this point. If you enjoyed the content or at least found it useful, please consider leaving a like or a comment. You can subscribe and look out for more content. I'm about to finish the freelancing websites, but I do have other ways that I know you can make money online. Besides the short videos I'll be posting on Thursdays, I have other videos that will continue this series on Saturdays, even after I'm done talking about the freelancing websites. And at some point in the future, I plan to start talking about writing. I'm still putting together plans for that, so I know exactly where I'm going to start, where I'm going to start, and where I'm going to go with it. So if you're someone who's into writing, if you want to get into writing, you want to learn how you can earn money from writing online mostly, you can subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you there. So that is it for this video. Once again, thank you and bye.